Most people open Claude, type a question, get an answer and leave. They're using maybe 10% of what it can actually do. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you how to use Claude to write emails, summarize 50-page reports in seconds, build entire documents you can edit, and connect it to the tools you already use every single day. By the end of this video, you'll be using Claude like a power user. We'll start with the basics, writing, summarizing, working with files. Then we're moving into the really powerful stuff, artifacts, projects, connectors, skills. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Claude to actually get work done, not just chat with it. Let's go. Head to the Claude website, links in the description. Sign in, it's completely free to start. This is the main screen. The prompt box right in the middle is where you type what you want Claude to do. The sidebar on the left lets you start a new chat and access all the advanced features. Down at the bottom, all your recent chats live there, so you can come back to absolutely anything and anytime. Let's start simple. I'll ask Claude to write a professional email to a supplier about cookies. Run it and done. Full email, clean structure, bullet points, all the details I'd ever need. But here's the thing, I didn't specify the cookie type. Claude assumed chocolate chip, I wanted oatmeal raisin. And the best part, I don't have to start all over, I just refine. Modify this email for oatmeal raisin cookies instead. Run updated email right up top. A neat summary of changes right below. I could keep going, make it shorter, friendlier, add more context about who it's for. This back and forth, this is exactly how you get the best results out of Claude. When I'm finally happy with it, I can fill in the placeholders, copy the message, or one of my absolute favorite features, open it directly in my email client. Just like that. Next up, summarizing information. I'll start a fresh new chat. I've got a really dense sales report I need to get through. Instead of grinding through the whole thing myself, I just upload it. Click the plus icon, upload a file, or simply drag and drop. I type, summarize this, and give me the key takeaways. Run. And Claude instantly pulls out the most important points in a beautifully clean format. Revenue hits $482,000. Like Mama always said, there's money in the cookie business, and it works with documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, pretty much anything you throw at it. Now, here is where Claude actually starts to stand out. So far, we have used it like a simple chatbot, but Claude can build real things you can actually edit. On the left, hover over mode, click artifacts, click create artifact, pick the type, apps, websites, documents, templates, games. I'll go with documents. It asks me what I want to build. Create a product launch plan for the cookie company's new oatmeal raisin cookie. It gives me a quick clean outline first. Looks great. I confirm and it builds. Now this opens in a completely separate workspace, the artifact. It's something Claude creates that you can actually edit, not just read. The first version is solid, but a little verbose. So I simply say, make it more concise. It tightens right up. Half the length, all the same key points still there. Now I want to add a sales forecast. Add a sales forecast section. Done. Brand new section appears. Just like that. Now here's the magic part. I can edit specific pieces on their own. I scroll down to the executive summary, highlight the text, and a clean little overlay appears. Improve, explain. I click improve, ask for it to be more persuasive, hit update, and just that one section changes. Absolutely nothing else. I can refine the whole document or dial in on a single paragraph. It's that precise. Once you start creating multiple documents, things get messy, fast. That's exactly where projects come in. First, let me rename this artifact. Click the drop down, rename, product launch plan, oatmeal raisin, save, same drop down, add to project, create new project, oatmeal raisin cookie launch, create, open the projects panel on the left. There it is. Inside a project, I can keep my launch plan, all my chats and every related file, all neatly in one single place. I've got a PDF with deep research on oatmeal raisin cookies. Drag it in. It's instantly added to the project knowledge. And now I can also add custom instructions, so I never have to repeat myself again. Click the plus icon, type, always respond in bullet points, save, and now everything I ask inside this project follows that automatically, every single time. Here's where it gets genuinely powerful. Claude can now use everything I've added, the artifact, the research, PDF, all of it together. I ask, what should I prioritize for a successful launch? Run. It responds in crisp bullet points, intelligently pulling from both the plan and the research at the same time. No jumping between chats, no losing context. Everything stays in one clean, organized place. So far, we've worked entirely inside Claude, but you can also connect it to the tools you already use every day. Back in the main chat, click the plus icon, then connectors. You can plug Claude right into your files, your email, your calendar, and a whole bunch of other powerful services. With email connected, you can ask Claude to scan your entire inbox and highlight exactly what's urgent. With calendar connected, you can ask what your whole week looks like in seconds. You don't need any of this on day one. But once you go deeper, this is where Claude transforms into something far more like a personal assistant than just another chat tool. And the last one, skills. Click the plus icon, manage skills, or just add a brand new one. Skills let you save reusable instructions and entire workflows, so you never have to repeat yourself every time you start fresh. You can build a skill for writing all your emails in your unique tone, or analyzing data in a very specific way, or generating polished reports in your exact format. I have made a full dedicated video on skills. Link is right in the description if you want to go even deeper. And that right there is how you actually use Claude, not just to chat, but to write, summarize, build, organize, and connect absolutely everything you do. Start with the basics, write an email, summarize a file, then move confidently into artifacts and projects once you're comfortable. If this genuinely helped you today, hit subscribe. I've put together a full playlist covering everything Claude. Links are right below. See you in the next one.